Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com. As a FabFitFun partner, I'm super excited to partner with them again and show you some of the amazing add-ons that are available for the fall box. Now, as you probably know, FabFitFun is an incredible lifestyle subscription service. It's seasonal, so you only get it 4 times a year for each season. And we are now in fall. Every box is $49.99, but you get over $200 worth of products. But if you sign up with my code below in the description box, you will get $10 off your first box. Now, what I love about FabFitFun is that it's a seasonal lifestyle box, so you get it 4 times a year, and each box will be themed for that season. We're talking full-size products in beauty, fashion, wellness, home decor, etc. Because again, it's lifestyle, it can cover all. FabFitFun just opened up their add-ons for the fall box, and what that is a flash sale for members to purchase really great quality, well-known products at a super discounted price. Now, if you are a yearly subscriber, one of the great benefits is that you get first access to these add-ons. So if you have a year-long subscription, it's a really great member benefit because you get first access to these products, which again are great quality, super discounted, so they do tend to sell out. Once it opens up to all members, you are allowed to add any of the add-ons that are still available, and of course you can always upgrade to a year-long subscription so that you can benefit from those perks. All right, I can't wait any longer, so let's dig in. So the first product I'm going to open up came in this box, so I want to check this out first. Oh, so pretty. So this is a certain standard umbrella. What does this say right here? Open indoors for good luck. Well, we're gonna have to do that because you need to see this. It's a beautiful kind of like a millennial pink. I'm seeing white, the strap is blue. This is really good quality, and the handle here is bamboo. I love that, I love the color. The interior, the metal is black. The stem is brown. This looks like it feels like really, really good quality. So this is gonna be an umbrella that's gonna last you for years. All right, this box is ginormous. So let's dig into this. Oh my goodness. No way. Oh my gosh. You guys, no way. I cannot. You guys, I have been wanting this for so long. It is a Fujifilm Instax Mini 9, the instant camera. Oh my gosh, and it comes in a beautiful blue. I love this. You've seen them everywhere. This is huge amongst the blogger, influencer, YouTuber world. And again, you can get this at a discounted price, so definitely check out the add-ons. Again, I will link to it below. And this is a complete set right here because I have the camera, but they also included the cover right here. This is the Instax Mini 9 Groovy case, and it is in that same blue as the camera, but they come in different colors. As you can see, there's pink, there's a teal, a green, a mint, a brown. So pretty. And then here is the Fujifilm Instax Mini film that you put into the camera itself. I love this. This is super cute. These are decorative file folders, and there's 3 of them. This one says, "I've totally got this." There is another one that says blah, blah, blah. And then the third says best day ever. This is perfect because it's back to school season. And this is just a way to keep you organized, whether you are a student or for your home office, for your important documents. This is handy. This is from Stretch, and it is their athleisure wash. Oh, this is excellent. It says here, Stretch Athleisure Wash by Forever New, gentle enough for all washable fabrics, yet uniquely designed to eliminate odors and keep the stretch in your athleisure wear. Patented odor eliminator, goodbye stink, prolongs the life and stretch in your clothes, removes chlorine, sweat eliminator, bleach and dye free, hypoallergenic, biodegradable. Amazing. Who knew? So this is cool. That tan that you've been working on all summer, you don't have to lose it in the fall. This is South Seas Tahitian Glow Self Tanner, tropical tint and streak free. Treat yourself to a safe, streak-free topical tan within hours. This precisely tinted formula adds immediate color for a perfect application, while a generous amount of naturally derived DHA maintains rich, natural color for the days to follow, with a tropical scent. Even with it sealed, I can still smell it. It has a very coconut, beachy scent to it. Really nice. Lovely. This is by Nuria, and they are nourishing makeup removal wipes with aloe found along the Mediterranean. This is by Apothecary 90291, and it is their number 3 Midnight in Corsica Face Oil. It's a beautiful bottle. Love that. Kind of goes with my decor. Like it. Well, this looks cool. It is by Amie Kestenberg. Look at that. It looks like snakeskin, like black and white gray snakeskin. It's a case. Oh, so cool. I love this. Believe it or not, I've actually been looking into getting one of these. This is a pill holder. So I take a lot of vitamins, I travel a lot. I also have migraine medication that I have to have with me all the time. So this is a neat way to carry your vitamins, your prescription pills, your, pain relievers that you might need from day to day. So this is the case on the inside. It's clear, it's labeled for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then there's an X if you need extra. And then the case is absolutely gorgeous. I love this. So if you are in need of a pill, instead of just having little bottles around or wrapping them in tissue paper, which I've done before, now you have this neat case that you can carry with you, and you can just pull it out of your purse and it looks super chic. This is by Without Contrast, and it is a Fat A Lash Mascara. That word is crossed out, so I'm not cussing on my video. But yeah, this is a volumizing mascara. The name is fun. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. It's in the color black. I love a good mascara, so can't wait to try this. This box is by Orbe, and it is their dry styling collection. The box is absolutely beautiful. Love this packaging. Let's see what's included. Oh my goodness, this looks super luxe. Okay, so right here we have a dry texturizing spray, and it's in a small bottle, so it's good to travel with. This is the full-size dry texturizing spray, and then this is Gold Lust dry shampoo. Very cool. Super chic. Okay, so this item, I'm not familiar with this brand. I might get the pronunciation wrong, sorry about that. It's Spongelate Ginger Bergamot Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Oh my God. Oh, sorry. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, and it's a really nice unisex scent, so I could use this and then my husband can use it, because it's not super floral. It's kind of musky. Really nice scent though. It smells amazing. So my husband might steal this from me. This is by the Lifestyle Company from Los Angeles. It's 100% natural, the ultimate makeup remover. It's got that little bunny label, which means it's cruelty-free and removes waterproof makeup. Love that. And it's a nice size, so I can travel with it. This is by MS Skin, and it is their Enlighten Retexturing Glycolic Treatment. Ooh, a powerhouse retexturizing treatment combining glycolic acid, antioxidant-rich red seaweed, and skin-firming hibiscus for instant visible results. How beautiful is that? So pretty. Amazing. And it's a glass bottle, so again, these products, the quality is amazing. Right here, I'm seeing a lipstick from Millie Rose, Satin Cream, and this is in the shade Mimi. Oh, we actually have more lipsticks. This is called Lulu. And then this one is called Yo-Yo. This is by Enco. Again, if you know hair care, beauty products, these brands are amazing. This is their glossing wax. It smells so good. Oh, and it also matches my decor. It's that beautiful aqua, teal, turquoise color. You know what? I'm gonna try some on right now. You know, this is great because in the summer we spend a lot of time in the pool, at the beach, and your hair can get a little dried out. So it's nice having products like these that kind of bring the life, texture, and shine back into your hair. So I love that. And there you go. It smells so good, guys. I love that. Oh, this is from London Town, and it is a glass nail filer. Could really use this right now. Could really use a mani-pedi right now, but this will come in handy. Oh, these are so cute. These are earrings by Bingbang, and they are little eyes with lashes on it. And they're studs and silver tone finish. So, so cute. This is by Haru Wonder, and it is a black rice facial oil. This is an Asian product, and it says here, Haru Wonder Black Rice Facial Oil is a pure blend of naturally derived oil. It provides a boost of antioxidant-rich nourishment to your daily face for amplified protection. The next item is by Taylor and Tessier Aspen, and it sounds like it's jewelry. Let's see. Oh, you guys, this is really pretty. It looks like a vintage piece. We have some of this aged gold tone pieces right here. This is a disc that's been kind of flattened like a coin. And then it also has a little crystal charm hanging off of it. There's also a little gold bar here. And then this is actually a dark, like silver tone right here. This is really cute. The next product is by Glam Glow, and it is their Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. If you guys are into skincare, then you know Glam Glow because they are super well known in the industry. They have great skincare. They're also especially famous for their masks, so I'm really excited to check this product out. Right when you open up, it says, "Hello, sexy." Very fun. And then here is the product itself. It comes with a brush. It's included for you to apply this onto your skin. It says here, it firms, lifts, tightens, and tones, and provides a sexy contour. Now the last two items are sponsored products, which means that US members can add these to their qualifying $15 cart for free. That's right, free. All right, so the first one is by Barilla, and it is their chickpea rotini pasta. It is made with one simple ingredient, chickpeas. So if you are trying to watch your carbs, this is a great alternative. This is from Mint Mobile, and it is 8 gigabytes per month and includes 3 months of service. It says this is the Mint Mobile Cleverness Kit. Activate the SIM within. You've successfully hacked the wireless system. What you hold in your hands is so much more than a mere Mint Mobile SIM kit. It's a declaration that you've had enough of the wireless industry's little games. While others are fooled by the tricks of big wireless, you've outsmarted the system, and now it's time for your reward. So sit back, relax, and smell the Benjamins. Welcome to the Fox side. All right, so interesting. I will include more information about Mint Mobile in the description box below. So these are just some of the products available as add-ons for the fall box. I am so thankful to FabFitFun for partnering with me in this video so that I could give you a glimpse of what some of the stuff that they have available. Again, if you are a yearly subscriber, then you have first access to these products. All the other members, you can shop what is available because products do sell out, but you can shop, again, all of this at a super discounted price. And as you saw, These are well-known brands. The quality of these products are incredible, and yeah, I'm just so thrilled with what I've seen, and I can't imagine what else is available as add-ons. So definitely check out the description box below so you can check that out. And again, if you are just a regular member who gets your boxes periodically, you might want to consider upgrading your subscription to a year-long subscription so that you get first access to these products, because again, they sell out, and you can see why. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe down below and click that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can set up your notifications. I make new videos every single week, and if you are in my notification squad, then you will get notified whenever my videos come out. I make new videos every single week and cover beauty, fashion, home decor, travel, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.